What's going on, everybody? Well, it's been a little bit, but yeah, I think I might have messed up. Let me explain. So, a little bit ago, I made a video on, I've made a couple of videos now on oil, what I like to call the oil wars, because they keep telling us, oh, this oil is rated at 10,000, this oil is rated at 20,000, this oil filter is rated for 7,500 miles. But then you get the mechanics telling you, don't you change your oil at no 10,000 miles. You will mess that thing up in the long run. You better change it at 5. If you want to change it at 3, that's fine too. But don't you dare wait till 10,000 miles. Especially on these higher compression engines. You don't want to do that. They need as much fresh oil as they could possibly get. That filter needs to be changed on time, every time. So this turbocharged engine is giving me the blues. It's still ticking, and I thought I had a handle on what it was, but ever since the Chevy screw up, I'm thinking, what if it's not my lifters that's making that noise? What if it's the bearings? Some people might say, nah, it ain't your bearings. The engine ain't that old. Only had this vehicle for a year, and some days it sounds horrible. Now, a day like today, I drove earlier, and it's okay. It's a very low tick, but it's there. But once I accelerate, the tick goes away, and it drives fine. So I'm thinking, okay, what's happening at idle that's not happening when I'm driving? I'm not getting as much oil going through the system when I'm idling. When I'm driving, I get more oil. So my thought process at first was, maybe it's bad gas. But I changed my gas. Then I changed the gas again. I went to a top tier. And then on top of that, I started adding fuel system cleaners. And I'm still having the same problem. And then there's the air. According to my scan tool, there's too much air in the system. How? I'm not understanding. How is there too much air in the engine? So I did a little research, and when I wasn't looking for it, I found something that put me on the right path. The VVT system is operated by oil pressure. That oil pressure allows the VVT system to how do I want to say this? Adjust. That oil pressure allows the VVT system to adjust the valves accordingly. The piston's going to keep running because they're on timer chain. But sometimes you might get a little extra air in there that you don't need when you idling. That's why the VVT adjusts and then you get up to speed, you sucking in more air. Okay, that's cool. But then when you go back to idling, or you shut the vehicle off and you start it up after a few hours, now it wants to act all buggy. So is it possible that the valves are not opening and closing properly? The computer is supposed to control that, but the valves are mechanical. It's not electrical. And I haven't had any indication that the VVT solenoids are plugged up or just need replacing. So I don't know. Tell me what you think. Is my problem that I need to change gas again? Maybe I need to use the additive? Or is it the oil? Maybe I need to switch to a different type of oil. Talk to you later.